unidentified gunmen reportedly shot dead a man in between Kangchup foothills and Kangchup Chiru in KEITHELMANBI area late last night. The deceased has been identified as Dem Khohau Kipgen of Boljang village. Further details are awaited. THANGMEIBAND United Club has imposed a total shutdown in THANGMEIBAND area of IMPHAL West from early today. The ban will enforce till 6 a.m. tomorrow. The Joint Action Committee formed over the death of BABYSANA has warned that Manipur shutdown will be called if the state government fails to give a proper response in connection with the death of Ningthaujam BABYSANA Chanu. The death toll of Japanese encephalitis in Assam has reached 110, a report said. The registered positive Japanese encephalitis cases across the state has increased to 477. State Health Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma has ordered that all the doctors, ASA workers and nurses will not get leave till the month of September 2019 and cannot take casual leave of 15 days during this period. The Working Committee of NAGA national political groups said that the citizenship of Nagas is totally vested within the village authority, and no one without certification of origin from any village or parent village can be enrolled into the records of the Nagaland government. Boris Johnson is expected to be elected leader of Britain's governing Conservative Party and the country's next Prime Minister. Johnson, a former London mayor who resigned as Foreign Minister a year ago over May's Brexit plans, is the clear favourite to replace her, with several polls putting him on around 70%. Protest has been intensified in IMPHAL West THANGMEIBAND area demanding quick justice in the killing of Ningthaujam BABYSANA, a Class 7 student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. The influential All Manipur Students Union AMSU has joined the protest to push for the demand. A ban has been imposed in the area by THANGMEIBAND United Club, backed by locals to put pressure on the Manipur government to bring all culprits in the BABYSANA killing to book. Roads were blocked by youth supporters. No untoward incidents were reported. 13-year-old Ningthaujam BABYSANA reportedly committed suicide inside her boarding room by hanging herself on July 18. But the family and the BABYSANA Joint Action Committee are sensing a foul play in her death. Altogether, 459 Hajj pilgrims from Manipur were sent off by Chief Minister N. Biren at IMPHAL International Airport today. This year's pilgrimage to Mecca is organized by Manipur State Hajj Committee. The 10th death anniversary of Sanjit and Rabina, who died in the infamous July 23, 2019 Khairamban firing incident, was observed in IMPHAL today. The event was organized by Working Committee on the Apun Balok and JSC against the killing of Sanjit and Rabina. A mild earthquake measuring 4.5 on the Richter scale rocked Dibang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh this afternoon. According to the Indian Meteorological Department, the earthquake had a depth of 33 km. However, no damage and casualty are reported so far. 15 Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South held a program commemorating Kargil War 1999 at SAINIK School Complex, Pangai, IMPHAL. The 15th Assam Rifles also displayed weapons and motivational videos to the students and discussed about how the Indian forces won the war. Primary school teachers and management committee of Bairodan Maxwell School, IMPHAL, today staged a sit-in protest in front of the school against the merging of Bairodan Maxwell Hindi Primary School with Bairodan Maxwell High School. Ferry services on the Brahmaputra River in Guwahati, Assam have been resumed during daytime after the water level started receding to normal level after the second wave of devastating floods across the state. As per a report, water level of river Brahmaputra is gradually falling below the danger mark of 49.68 meter to 48.5 meter. Tripura unit of the ruling BJP is organizing meetings, rallies, courtyard meetings and road shows to woo the voters ahead of the Panchayat elections across the state, according to reports. The ruling party has already won 82% of village Panchayat seats uncontested. The party is yet putting all efforts for other seats in the state.